I'm going to pull the fire alarm. Yay! I pulled the fire alarm. Oh no, it's the principal.
Dark Dragon Koopa. How dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You are so suspended for 28 weeks. Go home now while I call your parents. Hello. Dark Dragon Koopa's parents. Your son Dark Dragon Koopa pulled the fire alarm at school and got suspended for 28 weeks. Can you ground him? Okay. Goodbye.
Dark Dragon Koopa. How dare you pull the fire alarm at school and got suspended for 28 weeks? That's it. You are grounded for 18 years.
Go to your room right now.
Why?